Question 4.8 is about a barium ion, a barium 1+ ion with a mass of 137. And what's it tell you? Kinetic energy equals half mv squared, where mass is the mass of one particle in kilograms, v equals the speed. You've got Avogadro's constant, so you're obviously going to use that to work out the mass of one particle. So what have we got? We've got kinetic energy. Yeah, we're given the kinetic energy. 3.65 times 10 to the minus 16 equals half m. M is the mass of a particle. Well, 137 of a barium particle is the mass of 1 mole. If I divide the 137 by Avogadro's constant, I'll find out the mass of one particle. That'll be in grams. I'll have to get into kilograms. So grams into kilograms, I'm going to have to divide by 1,000 because m there is the mass of one particle in kilograms, and then that'll give me v squared. I can square root it and find out v, and from that I can work out the length of the detector. So let's have a look then. Kinetic energy equals half mv squared. That's my kinetic energy I've been given, equals half mv squared. Just to simplify, I'm going to multiply everything by 2, so 7.3 times 10 to the minus 16 equals mv squared. The mass of 1 mole of 137 barium is 137 grams. It needs to be, this m value is in kilograms, so I'm going to divide by 1,000. Remember, a small unit up into a large unit, you divide by 1,000. So the mass of a mole is 0.137. I know the number of particles in a mole is Avogadro's number, so if I take this mass of a mole and divide by Avogadro's number, I'll work out the mass in kilograms of one particle, which is 2.275 times 10 to the minus 25. So I can put that in as an m value now. So I've got my kinetic energy, or twice my kinetic energy. 2 lots of kinetic energy equals the mass multiplied by v squared. So v squared equals 7.3 times 10 to the minus 16 divided by the 2.275 times 10 to the power 25. V squared is 3.2088 times 10 to the power of 9. I square root it, and v is 5.6646 times 10 to the power of 4. Now velocity is distance divided by time. You'll know that speed is distance divided by time because you go, say for example, the speed of a car might be 30 miles per hour. So distance, miles, time, hour, per means divide by. So speed is distance divided by time. I've got my v, I've got my speed, my velocity or speed, 5.6646 times 10 to the power of 4. I've got my time, it gives me my time in the question, which is 2.71 times 10 to the minus 5. There, the ion takes 2.71 times 10 to the minus 5 to reach the detector. So I multiply these two numbers together and my distance is 1.53 and it's in meters.